Hello and welcome back to our mini series on how to make the foundation crochet stitches. So I've previously showed you how to do the foundation single crochet and half double crochet. So today we are going to continue with the next one, which is the foundation double crochet. This would be foundation treble crochet in the UK terms. To start with, you will make a slip knot and start by chaining. So this foundation crochet stitch begins with chaining 3. Chain is worked by yarning over and pulling through the loop. That's 1, 2 and 3. We will then yarn over the hook once more and insert the hook into the very first chain that we've just made. Yarn over and pull up a loop. So we've got 3 loops on the hook. You'll yarn over, pull through 1. You just created a chain, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's the double crochet. So let's do that again. You will yarn over the hook, and when you look at the top of the project, there is a V. There is a small V. It becomes more apparent as you start working more stitches, so you will work under that V. So your hook there, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So let's make one more together. We yarn over the hook, look at the top of your project, look for the V, insert the hook under both of those strands of the V, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you will keep on going until you have your desired number of foundation stitches. So once you need to work into the row number 2, you will turn your project around and continue working into the top of your project. So the bottom of your project becomes the top of your project, and this would be the tops of the double crochet stitches that you will want to work your stitches into. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this useful and you will be able to use these foundation crochet stitches in your next projects. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.